Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and today I will show you how you can hard reset the device through settings. So obviously, to get started, you will want to open up your settings application. From here, scroll down all the way to, I believe it's gonna be in General Management. Yep, there we go. So General Management, and you'll find a reset option. And then all you want to do is select Factory Data Reset. And this will bring up this message right here that all data will be erased from your phone, and then it lists the data that will remove. Now, half of the first half is completely useless, and you shouldn't really pay attention to it. Like Google accounts, who cares? It's an account. It's not removing the account, it's just getting rid of the logged in part from your phone. You can still relog in later on. Same goes for apps and settings and downloaded data and stuff like that. It's everything that you can basically get back after the setup or on any other device once you log into your Google account and re-download the apps. Now, the things that do probably matter to some people, also not everybody, will be things like music, photos. Now, if you're not storing them on the cloud, you might want to create a backup of it beforehand, otherwise you will lose it permanently. And additionally, obviously, user data. So if you keep some kind of documents, things along those natures that you have downloaded to the device itself, you do want to create a copy of it, otherwise it will be removed. Now, for everything else, you can completely disregard it and just keep on going. So, for everybody that wants to create a backup copy, now would be the great time to do so. Once you proceed any further, once you proceed with the factory reset itself, this won't be, you won't be able to get back your data from there. It's irreversible. Now, I'm not going to be backing up anything. There isn't anything on the phone, so I'm just going to select reset, delete it all, and this will now begin the process. So this will probably take about a minute or so to finish up, and once it's finished, I should be greeted with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see now, the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.